out. I'm gonna have to take the sound out of this video.
Wine, Alex. Well, that thing beat you up, jeez. Watch out for the whopper.
It's not as small as your Wahoo.
She got one.
Oh no!
Well, you got hooed, huh?
I got hooed. Yeah. He grabbed
What,
me.
be using a jig?
Bomb.
There's a magic bomb going.
Well, I got one. Got sliced.
Come on, there's more. Under the boat. Oh, wow. Like you mean it, Dale. Come on.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Boy, Dale.
Hey, he's got my jig.
Somebody else is gonna,
That's my bomb. That's my bomb. That's the one I just lost.
I don't owe you any beers. You can have that jig back.
Oh, you gotta buy me a beer for that, buddy.
I'll buy you a beer for that.
He got this back, so I think we're even.
Oh my God! Look at that, man.
We're even now. Perfect.
Got my jig back that I got hooed on. What are the odds?
You were getting all those fish on Wahoo.
He caught the fish that cut me off.
Hurry up, tie that up.
Yep.
Follow your Wahoo. Yeah. We got a three-way chopa here.
Oh no.
Chopa-licious. Follow your who.
A Wahoo or a chopa?
Don't know yet. Looks like a Wahoo.
That's a Wahoo to me. Take it down.
Joe coming down.
Chopa coming down.
What a Joe Bob.
It's possible.
Oh, you prick. Jesus.
Yes. You're gonna have to earn them. Keep that son of a bitch tight.
Whoa.
He got him on.
Oh boy, we are sick.
Oh shit.
Severely fucked up.
Oh Jesus, I'm in the freeze pool. Uh-oh.
Hold it. Let's me out.
Oh. Respooled.
Watch the Wahoo.
Yeah. crazy.
Keep going.
Keep going. Go down. Go down.
Run.
There we go. Woo! Oh my God, is he running fast?
Start your camera.
Split red light blinking.
Oh yeah.
Underneath. Coming around. Coming under. 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 No, I'm going under you. Ooh, we're angry. Oh shit. Uh-oh, we got another one. Shit! Watch out! Go! Where are you? Other side.